So in next few lectures, we are going to work with few components, few Apex classes, LWC and objects. So all of that I have added in this GitHub repo. You can refer the component from this GitHub repo, or if you want to deploy that to your org, that also you can do that. So let me just do that. So I'm going to deploy this to a brand new org, and here I can open terminal. Again, the prerequisite are that you should have Git and Salesforce CLI installed. So I'm going to say git clone. It is git clone. And I see that the repo is cloned here. So I can go into that repo. So here you see in the Force app, we have the classes, the LWC component, the objects, profile permission, tabs, and also this books data load that I did. That CSV file is also available here. And let's just deploy this Force app to the new org. So for that, let's just authorize to the new org. New. Right, so I have authorized to the org. So let's go back here. And now I can deploy this component to the new org. So let me just click on deploy this source to org. Right, so I see that all of these components are deployed. Apex classes, lightning component, custom fields, custom object, and custom tab, as well as profile is deployed. So let's go to the org here. This was the org where I have deployed it. And let's just see that. So I should have a book. Yeah, so books tab is available here, and it will take some time. But yeah, this is that books tab. So I need to do the data load here. So let me quickly do that as well. So for that, I can use this one, and I can copy everything, go back to the org. I can use this Salesforce Inspector and can do a data import in the books one. And let me click on run insert. Right now the books are loaded. Let's just see that. Yeah, so 40 books are available here. And then we have this library tab where we have this LWC component added. Yeah. Okay, so basically, so this is failing because, in my metadata, I have not configured the client ID and secret. But overall, this LWC is loading all the book record here. So we are good to go, and we can work on the authorization part of it. So you can follow along the lectures to see all of this.